Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can correctly upload your DreamSnaps. So I have this room here just for those challenges. Sometimes it's outfits, sometimes it's furniture. On this week's challenge, it is furniture. So I'm just going to hit F and I'm going to select DreamSnaps. And as you can see, these are the requirements. Playful ×5, strong ×6, simple, familiar. So I'm just going to remove everything that doesn't have anything to do with that. And there's going to be a check mark once you have added the right things to it. And so here's everything with that. I just sometimes do this randomly, but you know, sometimes people vote. I'll just do it real quick for this one. I'm going to add this. And then, actually, I'm just going to add this, and I'm going to add in some wallpaper. Actually, I might change the floor, sorry. These are already like the filtered things that you can use for it. Like this one, for instance, and like this vending machine. And this one, these lights maybe. Or you can go to filters here, scroll down and go to the style and type in, select the, where is it? Playful and strong. And it will show you the same exact thing that I just showed. Basically, it will show you the things you can use for the DreamSnaps. I'm just trying to find more stuff to add. I'm just really randomly adding this so that it's quick. What else can I add to this? Maybe this painting. This is so random, I swear. Okay, that is too big. Going to randomly add this photo booth. I'll just move this to the side. Maybe add in a bookshelf. I'm just trying to make this super quick, so sorry if it looks not the best right now. Okay, hopefully that's enough. But I'm just going to select the camera here. And then I'm going to kind of take a picture here. And then I'll select show DreamSnaps. And as you can see, I have enough of these, and then I'm just going to press submit. I won't submit though, because this looks horrible, but you're just going to press submit, and it's going to submit if you have everything. So here, I already have everything. I have 9 out of 5 playful and 12 out of 6 strong. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.